traditional quarter turn. Starting candidate number 1, Miss Pine Sorbeto. Candidate number 2, Miss Angel Tala. Candidate number 3, Shane Garcia. Candidate number 4, Miss Sky Dios. Candidate number 5, Miss Luna Vega. Candidate number 6, Miss Milana Milan. 7, S.J. Martinez. 8, Jen Sua. 9, May Mendoza. And last but not least, candidate number 10 is Kylie Santos. Okay, ladies, kita kayo dyan to do the traditional quarter turn. Okay, guys, sino yung bet? Who's your bet? What's your name, Papa? What's your name? Now, sino ang bet mo sa ating 10 of the candidates? Number 10. How about my daddy? Who's your bet? Same, number 10. Dito sa gawin dito. Dito. Dito sa loob ng VIP box. Dito po ang inyong bet. May answer